I'm Shaun Slight again from Ion Bank, Mortgage Originator here, and today's tip is about credit. Credit is something that is needed throughout your life for big purchases, and buying a home is definitely the biggest purchase most people make in their lives. Your credit score is made up of three main factors. One of which is the length of your credit history. So if you've had a credit card open, however many years that credit card's been open, that's the length of your credit history on that card. Another is on-time payments. Obviously, you want to make sure to pay on time as long as you're able to. Lates, unfortunately, can hurt your credit score. The thing to keep in mind is the further you are away from a late, so if you made a late 2 years ago, that's better than making a late last month. So over time, your score will improve even if you did have a previous late payment at some point. And then the third major factor is usage. Ideally, the credit agencies all say that they want for best score to have your usage about below a third. So if you have a $1,000 limit, try to keep it under about $330 on your limit from month to month, and that should help improve your score. When we're looking at mortgages, score can be a factor in both rate and if you need mortgage insurance, that can also affect how much you're paying for that. The thing to keep in mind with a credit history, I'll give you one tip that a lot of people miss out on. Banks and stores, if you have a credit card with them, they can unilaterally close your account if you are not using it. What does that mean? Well, they have to send you something in the mail that says, hey, you haven't used your account in 12 months, 6 months, however long it's been. And if you don't use it, we're going to close it. If that account gets closed, all of the good credit history, you had that account for 10 years, that's gone. It doesn't count anymore. The usage history doesn't count anymore. If you had lates on there, they'll still count those against you. So keep in mind, if you have credit cards, you haven't used them, use them just for gas. Use it for something, because if it closes, typically it's going to end up hurting your score rather than helping it. If you definitely have any questions about this, please reach out to us. Reach out to credit reporting agencies. They have this information as well. And come back for the next tip. Thanks.